Did you know that the AI influencer market is expected to reach over $1 billion by 2024? That's a lot of cash just waiting to be made. In today's digital landscape, AI influencers are becoming a force to be reckoned with. They are synthetic media personas that are designed to promote products or services on social media platforms, and they are taking the marketing world by storm. What makes them so appealing is their ability to connect with audiences on a deeper level, often more so than human influencers. They can engage 24/7, respond instantly to comments, and never get tired. The idea of AI influencers might seem a bit far-fetched, but trust me, it's a reality that's happening right before our very eyes. And as marketers, it's essential to understand how we can tap into this massive opportunity. Traditional influencers are facing an uphill battle in today's marketing landscape. With so many people clamoring for attention on social media, it's getting increasingly difficult to stand out from the crowd. To make matters worse, consumers are becoming more and more skeptical of traditional influencer marketing. They are getting tired of the same old sponsored posts, and they are craving authenticity. The biggest problem with traditional influencers is that they're, well, human. They have their own opinions, biases, and limitations. And let's be real, it's hard to scale human influence. Another issue is that traditional influencers often have limited expertise. They might be great at promoting beauty products, but what about something more complex like financial services? AI influencers, on the other hand, can be designed to excel in specific niches. They can be programmed to provide expert-level knowledge and insights, making them far more valuable to brands. Moreover, AI influencers can produce content at an unprecedented scale and speed. They can churn out high-quality videos, images, and captions in a matter of minutes, making them a dream come true for brands. The biggest advantage of AI influencers, however, is their ability to engage with audiences at scale. They can respond to thousands of comments and messages in real time, providing an unprecedented level of customer service. But how do AI influencers actually work? Well, it's quite fascinating. They are powered by advanced AI algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and adapt to changing consumer behaviors. There are virtual influencers, chatbots, and even digital humans that can be designed to mimic human-like conversations. The possibilities are endless, and it's getting harder to distinguish between real and fake. From fashion and beauty to finance and technology, AI influencers are popping up in every niche imaginable. They are promoting products, services, and even social causes, and they are doing it with unprecedented success. In the beauty space, AI influencers can provide personalized makeup tutorials, skincare routines, and product recommendations. They can even create digital avatars that allow customers to try on virtual makeup. In the finance space, AI influencers can provide expert-level investment advice, credit score analysis, and even tax planning. They can help customers make informed financial decisions with ease. From branding to affiliate marketing, AI influencers can generate revenue through a wide range of monetization strategies. They can even create their own products and services, becoming entrepreneurs in their own right. Let's take the example of Kizuna AI, a virtual YouTuber who has amassed over 2.5 million subscribers. She creates content around music, fashion, and lifestyle, and has even collaborated with major brands like Toyota. Another example is Ima, a digital human who has been designed to promote Japanese culture and tourism. She creates stunning content around fashion, food, and travel, and has even interacted with fans in real time. In the world of finance, we have AI-powered chatbots like BankEFI, which provides personalized financial advice to customers. It can even help them open bank accounts, apply for loans, and invest in stocks. These AI influencers are not just generating engagement. They are driving real revenue for brands. They are helping companies reach new audiences, increase brand awareness, and even drive conversions. One brand that's seen immense success with AI influencers is a popular fashion retailer. They partnered with a virtual influencer to promote their summer collection and saw a staggering 300% increase in sales. The campaign was so successful that the brand decided to launch its own AI-powered influencer marketing platform. They are now working with multiple virtual influencers to promote their products, and the results are astonishing. In this case study, we saw how a brand was able to leverage an AI influencer to achieve impressive results. The key takeaway is that AI influencers can be a powerful addition to any marketing strategy. So, what can we learn from this? Firstly, AI influencers are here to stay. They are not just a fad. They are a revolutionary technology that's changing the marketing landscape. Secondly, AI influencers can provide unparalleled engagement and revenue opportunities for brands. They are scalable, adaptable, and can be programmed to excel in specific niches. Lastly, AI influencers require a fundamentally different approach to marketing. They demand a deep understanding of AI, data, and consumer behavior, and they require marketers to think outside the box. So, what do you think about AI influencers? Are they the future of marketing, or just a flash in the pan? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the latest digital marketing trends, be sure to check out our next video.